Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Chamoy Big Dill. So this is the sort of higher level tier version, the red type of the pickle. He's going to have his little mask on in the middle there. So let's go up to the top. We're going to go draw a curve for his head. Start off on the right, probably about here. Nice and steady, we're going to draw a nice curve, that pickle head. Go all the way over to the middle there. Then we'll just continue that line. Nice curve going along here. To about this point here, okay? Next, I'm going to go to the center. I'm going to draw his mask. Just going to put a dot about there. In the center of there where he just drawn from side to side. There's a little dot. I'm going to come to the right first of all. Come upwards. And then down. And around to the side. And then on the right, we're going to go upwards, down, and to the side again. Just going to cap those off. Just come out a little bit from the head area. We've got a nice little curve coming out, a nice bit of texture to our picture. And then what I'm going to do is the underneath the mask. So once again, let's put a little dot about here. Let's go to the right. I'm going to go take my pen, curve it downwards, and then just return it up to that midpoint in the side there. And then on the left, I'm going to continue this line, come downwards again, and come upwards there to the side of the head. It's got a nice mask going on there. Let's get those eyes in while we're there. On the right hand side, let's start about this point here. Let's draw a nice slanted line upwards like that, and then we're just going to do a nice curve underneath to show the eye. Other side, same sort of thing. Start about here, bring your pen out. We're going to come downwards and return with a nice arc. There we go, got those eyes in now. Okay, I'm going to draw two lines down now. This is the side of his head, so his head will sort of come down here, then we've got the mask, so we're going to continue the line about this point. Just bring your pen down to about here. And on the other side, head goes down this way, so the body will come down kind of this way here. Now I've got those in, I can start drawing the chains in. So the chain coming around his neck, nice curve coming out. I'm going to bring my pen downwards here where the chain comes down. The arc is about there, and then it starts to return kind of back upwards this way here. Give yourself another little loop there. And what we'll do, we'll draw just near the center there, come around the other way. Like that there. Our center point, let's do the little Big Dill logo. So it's like the dollar sign. So how we do that is, got a little line here and here. Bring those down with another 4 lines. Okay, and then we'll join that up. Then we kind of come out at this point, so it's part of the D area. Bring a line down, come out again. Back in. Then we come down again. We do the same as we did up there, but down the bottom here. So a line there, come up, out a bit, down, cross, up. And now we do a nice looping arc for a D across there. Do a little chip of a line in there, like a little rectangle. Then we can just continue that D across there. Now I've got that, I'm just going to continue that line so it hits the top of that like little symbol. And then there's a couple more, well there's one more chain, but a couple more loops to do. So I'm going to do a little loop around here, bring your pen down to the side there. Just continue that line to about here. Then we're going to draw one on the other side as well. So this one comes up into the side there, curves outwards, and we'll come and return back down kind of that way there. Cool, now I've got that in. Let's look at doing the arms. Let's go to the right hand side first of all. I'm going to pop in a little shoulder, so we'll come out this way, drop it down a bit where we go to the long part of the arm, then there's an elbow here, bring the forearm down this way. On the inner part, I think the underarm is about here, so I'm going to just bring my pen in there, slight little taper to the inside crease of the forearm, and then bring your pen down again like that. Then what I'm going to do, bring out a line here, this is a thumb area, and we can just curve it in a bit there, and we go 1, 2, 3 little bumps, and then nice curve round. We've got ourselves an arm. And this side, going to come out sort of this way, a nice curve for the shoulder, then we're going to come downwards this way. Nice line, curve it in where the elbow is. Then we're going to continue this line where the forearm is here. So there, that'd be the wrist area there. The underarm is going to be about here. We're just going to bring our pen in, sort of taper it into the crease of the forearm. Then the forearm continues this way to the wrist here. Same thing again, I'm going to come out on the inside. Nice curve around where the thumb is and in. Then I've got from that thumb 1, 2, 3, loop it around, and in like that. We've got ourselves another arm. Nice little stance he's got in him. This means now we can draw his belly and get that pickle belly in. So let's go to the underarm here, we've already drawn in. Just curve in, come around. We're just going to head down to that thumb area, like that. Just going to curve out a bit of a sort of pickle belly. And from there, we're going to come around sort of this way, curve your pen around like that. Got a nice sort of curve going on there. On this side, it's a little bit straighter. The front is here and this is more like the back. So from that underarm, we're going to bring the pen downwards to the thumb area. Then I'm just going to continue. I'm going to come in a bit where the leg will be here. We just draw a little curve like that around there, sort of to show the leg. Now on this side, we've got this stance. We've got a leg coming down and around like that and a foot coming out here. So let's draw that in. Let's go up to about this point here. Bring your pen down, nice little curve to the knee. Then we're going to come into the shin area and we're going to slightly straighten that pen up, bring it down like that. Let's go back to the inner part of the leg. So about this point here, we're going to bring that's it, that width there. Just bring the thigh in to the knee area, curve your pen out to the calf muscle and taper it in down like that. Kind of kick out at the end for a little heel. The front of the foot goes this way, so what I'm going to do, just bring my pen round, curve there, around, and just curve into that heel area there. On this side, it's more of a front-on sort of foot, so or leg comes down here, around there, and out the end here. So let's do this inner part here. So where we've drawn up to there, let's grab your pen, just draw a nice curve, sort of bring it inwards to the knee, come out again where the calf is and taper it in up there to the ankle. Go up to this point right here, curve your pen around where the upper leg area is, the knee's about here, then we're going to bring the pen out and we're going to come downwards to the ankle area about here. Just going to show his foot at the front here, so really all we've got to do is sort of taper it out here and bring it in at the front, little pointed area, bring it around and then curve in, little ankle there, and that's it. Let's do a little bit of detail. We're missing a mouth. So in the center here, just come down a little tad and we just need to draw in just a little curve there. Then we need to just bring it out of the side. So one element there, one there. And then we're just going to join that up. Nice little curve. Little hint in there of teeth. So I'm just going to dot the very edges Just a little hint of a mask, of teeth there. For the mask area, just going to colour this in. Filling it in with a nice bit of ink. Just helps to make our figure pop. Then what I'll do is have a look at this chain. Just got little curves on this chain, just little curved areas, slight little slant as we go down to the middle area there. Just continue that as it comes around, so we'll curve it around a little bit like that. On this side, do the same sort of thing, so just bring little curved areas in as we go around, and up on the edge there. It's a nice little bit of detail to our pick. Okay, now I've got those in, I just want to do some little pickle related bits of detail. Just a few little lines sort of coming upwards, or this pickle sort of style. Maybe a bit up here, sort of like the little ridges of the pickle going on. So there's a few little bumps around him. Add a nice little bit of kind of texture to him. Just a few little bumps around him. It curves around him there. And then I think I'm pretty happy with that. I think what I might just do is just pop my pen round. Just give my pick a bit of extra oomph. Just go around those outer lines. Sort of just make him pop. On that outline. Just a little medallion in the middle, just give it a little bit of pop. And there we go. I think we're ready now to colour him in. Gonna give him a nice red look. And that is Chamoy Big Dill from Fortnite Lawless. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who else to draw, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.